Does anybody really need 5 bundles of hair? I'd rather have more than I need than to need more than I have. Is that what I mean? I don't know what I mean. But I have 5 bundles of hair right here. 5 bundles of beautiful, yummy hair. And I have the frontal to match.
고민하는 내게 힘이 가요. 눈이 마주치는 느낌이 와요. Can't nobody stop the move. 움직인 순간 이미 시작돼요. I've been thinking about the way that you look. It's like I'm losing control myself. You make a mess of me. I don't care if they say that I'm a bad girl, 'cause I gotta do, oh I gotta do, yeah what I feel like. Well I don't care if you think that I'm a bad girl.
So hey there, my beauty lovers. This is an unboxing of my latest purchase from one of my absolutely favorite high-end hair companies. You saw the title. Yummy Hair Extensions. So this time it's going to be their Raw Burma Wavy Curly, and trust me, you don't want to miss this video. So listen, what I'm going to show you and what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you exactly what these extensions look like right out of the box, and let me tell you, the texture is incredible. This is only part 1 though of a 2-part series, so be sure to stick around until the end. Hit that notification bell, because in part 2, I'm going to be walking you through the washing and conditioning process. And then the fun part, I will be making a wig from these beautiful bundles right here. So stay tuned, because you won't want to miss any of those details. Okay, so let's get into this gorgeous hair. Now, for those of you who are new to raw hair, or maybe you've been kind of eyeing this texture, you're going to be in for a treat. Raw Burmese curly hair has always been known for its absolutely gorgeous 3B, 3C curl pattern. So think super beautiful defined ringlets with a soft and silky texture. I have been wanting to try this texture from Yummy Extensions for a while now, and I was on the fence. But will this be my new holy grail for hair? I guess we're about to find out. Now, have you ever tried raw Burmese curly hair before? If you have, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm a little curious to hear what your experiences are versus mine. So first impressions are really everything, and the packaging itself feels so luxurious. You can tell that Yummy really did pay attention to some of these details. Now, this is raw Burma wavy curly hair, and oh my goodness, guys, just look at those waves and these curls. They are so defined, and they have such a beautiful wavy curly pattern. This is exactly the kind of pattern that I was hoping for, that perfect 3B, 3C that you hear everybody rave about. So I have been using Yummy Hair Extensions for a while now, and their quality always has been top notch. And this raw Burma wavy curly hair right here, it's on a whole nother level. And when I tell you that this hair is soft and it's bouncy and it's ready for styling, I mean it. The curl pattern is so beautifully natural. I mean, we're talking perfectly defined waves and curls that are going to give you a stunning, effortless look, whether you're wearing it curly or whether you're wearing it straight. So let's talk about what came in this bundle here. So the color is a beautiful natural dark, just as I expected. It's gorgeous. And Yummy Hair Extensions, just in case you guys didn't know, they do offer this in a natural brown option if that's more your style, which is great to know. You would, however, need to add that to the notes at checkout for your preferred color when you order your bundles together. Now, I ordered 5 bundles in 16 inches and an 18-inch closure, and I'm seriously loving the density and the volume already. Now, one thing that's really interesting about raw Burmese hair is that each bundle is very unique. You can already see the slight variations in the curl pattern from one bundle to the next, and that's what makes it look so natural and so beautiful. Now listen, it's not going to be uniform, which is exactly what you want. You don't want an organized pattern. But oh my goodness, this hair feels incredibly, incredibly soft, and it is silky to the touch. Now, this is definitely a sign of some high quality raw hair. And I've seen so many reviews saying how soft and luxurious Yummy's raw Burmese curly hair is, and actually I can feel it right here with this texture. And again, that's always a good sign. Now, when it comes to checking for tangling or shedding, that's something that will be determined when I go through the washing and conditioning process. Now, unless it's straight or slightly wavy hair that I purchase, I typically don't run my fingers through curly hair as soon as I unbox it, because running your fingers through curly hair straight out of the packaging right after shipping initially is going to have some resistance when you try to pass your hands through it. Some people have mentioned the potential for tangling with curly hair in general, especially with long-term wear. But really right now, my initial impression so far, it's really good. These bundles feel really, really substantial. They have a good weight to them, which usually indicates a good amount of hair per bundle. Now, I've even seen reviews where people only needed 2.5 bundles for a full look. So that definitely will speak to the density of this hair. Now, if you're like me and you love volume and big hair, then add additional bundles depending on how full you would like to go. This hair is gorgeous. It has a healthy shine, and again, it feels very, very dense and very full. Now, you can really tell that Yummy Hair takes time to ensure quality with each and every strand of their hair. The texture is just right, not too tight, not too loose, but it's just enough for those wanting a natural look, yet a voluminous curly style as well. And the best part, because it's raw Burma hair, it's super versatile, guys. You can dye it, you can straighten it, and you can definitely curl it. Now, it's all about, as they say, making it your own. So first impressions and why I chose Yummy Hair, let's talk about it. Okay, so based on what I'm seeing and feeling right now, I am incredibly impressed, and that takes a lot when it comes to curly hair. The curl pattern is exactly what I was hoping for, that beautiful 3B, 3C, and the softness, it is divine. Now, this really does feel like a premium product, guys, and it definitely lives up to the hype that I've seen online. And again, just like me, I hope you do your research before purchasing, because this raw Burmese wavy curly hair from Yummy Extensions is consistently praised for this gorgeous curl definition and that incredibly silky feel. So again, I love that the color is a natural dark, which is perfect for me, but it's also great that Yummy offers a natural brown option for those who prefer a lighter shade and really don't want to dye the hair. Now, as I mentioned before, the uniqueness of raw hair means that not every curl or bundle is going to look exactly the same. You don't want that. It will be giving a very natural and organic result, which is exactly what I'm after. So this raw Burma curly hair comes in a fantastic range of lengths from 16 and I believe all the way up to 30 inches. So there's something for everyone there. Now, whether you're planning on a weave, a wig, or even using it for braiding, this hair seems incredibly versatile. And Yummy also has lace closures, they have frontals, and even wigs in this texture, which again is going to give you some additional options for installation. Now, one of the main reasons I invest in raw hair is the potential for longevity. Yummy Hair Extensions are known for their quality, and I have purchased from them for years. One of my first purchases from them was their Russian Fade, and God, I wish they'd bring that back. But listen, I've seen reviews saying that their raw hair can last for years with proper care, so that makes it a fantastic investment in the long run, especially for the price point. Now, this hair does not come cheap. If you've purchased, you know, but Yummy does have sales, so that would be the ideal time that you would want to stock up. So what do you think of this gorgeous hair, guys, so far? Let me know again in those comments. I am absolutely thrilled with my first purchase of Yummy's raw Burma wavy curly. However, I'm going to say it again, the quality, it feels incredible, and the curls are stunning, and the hair is really soft to the touch. But listen, the journey doesn't end here. This is just part 1 of my experience with this hair. In my next video, in part 2, I will be taking you along for the first wash and conditioning of these beautiful bundles. We're going to see how they react to water and product, and how these gorgeous curls will bounce back or not. And I'm going to give you my initial thoughts on the manageability after the washing and conditioning. So what are your predictions for how this hair is going to look after that process? Any tips on how you maintain your raw curly hair? If you have some, leave them in the comments below and make sure that you're subscribed if you are not and you like the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss part 2. You're going to definitely want to see what happens next with this hair right here. So if you've enjoyed this unboxing and are excited for the next part, please guys, give this video a big thumbs up. It'll really help me in the algorithm, and it's going to help my channel grow. And again, don't forget to check the description box below, because I'm going to leave links to Yummy Hair Extensions website and the specific hair that I purchased. Thank you again for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one.